Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how we can create an exact copy of a record using server-side scripts. So to save some time, I've already opened this background script module and I've already declared two variables on the top, one for the table and another one for the source record I'm going to use. The sysID is of this particular record whose values we are planning to copy in the new record. Now let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to declare a glide record for the incident table. I already have declared it on top, so we don't need to worry about writing the table name all over again. Let's copy this. And then I'm going to do a .get using the source sysID, which is my source record over here. And then within this, I'm going to create another glide record. Let's call it incgr2. And then I need to initialize this to be able to insert a record into the database. And then I need to loop through all the fields in the first glide record and copy the values in the second glide record. So how we can do that is, I already copied incgr. And let's add a quick check over here whether we are updating the system fields or not. So we don't want to update the system fields, so we can exclude those fields. And sys created on is one example, sys updated on is another one. So let's start with these two and we'll add as we move forward. Okay, so now index of we'll compare it with -1. And then we are going to save the value over here in the second glide record. So gr2 dot set value. This is the field I want to save the value in, and let's get the value from the first glide record using the same field. Okay, fine. I think we are done with the script over here. If we want, we can print maybe the number or the sysID over here of the new record. So let's do that. We need to insert. I think we missed that part. Yeah, we need to insert the second glide record. Otherwise, the record will not be saved. And then we can do a quick gs.info to check the sysID. And the number. Let's try to run this and see if it works. Okay, so this is the sysID we have received, which is a bit different than the one we already used. So we don't need to take care of the sysID specifically, but the number is same as compared to this one. So let's first check the incidents which are created today, whether the values are there or something is missing. So if we compare, more or less everything is copied. It's just that we need to take care of the number field. So for that purpose, what we'll do is within this array, I will add another field name called number so that we get a new number once this script runs, and it's not the same number every single time. Otherwise, it will be an issue. Let's run the script. So this time the number is 10,009. Let's go back from here. Okay, so this time we have a new number, and we also have all the values from the existing incident which we copied. Thank you so much for watching.